How to run CAMS. The best procedure to follow to update your records is to first add times. The report is based on the last times put into the aircraft files. So what you do is you hit aircraft, you pick your aircraft model. We're going to do a Hawker, and we'll pick a Hawker 800. This screen shows you the various ways, the various things you can do to CAMS. First one is AC times. This is where you put your times in. Access records. Access records is where you update your records. Engine shop. Engine shop is to remove and put another engine on. We prefer that you tell us about the engine change. We'll do it for you and let you know when it's done. Reports. Here is where you run reports. Customer is the information for the cover page of the report. Log entry. This gives you a tool in order to create a log entry. History of the records. Forms is something we're working on to be able to print inspection forms. But right now we'll go to AC times. Click on AC times and we'll pick an airplane. Here are the various ways to add your times. Add new times, correct existing error, enter engine time since new, enter engine time since overhaul, enter hours and cycles flown. You use hours and cycle flown only if you know how many hours it flew since the last time you put times into CAMS. Engine time since overhaul is mostly used on turbine airplanes where a lot of times people track time since overhaul and not time since new on the airplane. So on this airplane, we're going to add engine time since new, and we're going to add new times. So now you hit continue. This column shows the last times put into CAMS, and we're going to put current times in here. So we'll type in today's date, and let's say the airplane flew 10 hours and had 5 landings. So what we would do here would be 83, 27.4, 65, 30. So you can see in the difference column 4 days, 10 hours, and 5 cycles. So the engine times should fly the same number of hours as the airplane. So 82, 17.7, 63.05. 81, 70.7, 63.55. APU, they didn't use it. Let's say we made an error. All you have to do at this point is hit update again. It takes you back into the current field and you can enter through and change your number. Let's say this was 6306. Then you'll see the number increased from 5 to 6. Let's say we made an error at this point and you didn't want to save what was in there. All you have to do is hit the escape key and it will not save what you put in. So now we'll hit exit and then we'll go to the next step of accessing records.